there's weather prediction, weather pattern, use of satellite to study or predict rain or to predict the weather. How accurate are we there, and what more is being done in that field?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked that. Of course, there's no end to doing what we are doing. Only this year, after this government came in, Modi 3.0, Prime Minister launched Mission Mausam, which is going to give us, global standards, rather best benchmarks ever. But even before that, we have already started off, and it's already been done in some of the more rainfall-prone cities like Mumbai, like Chennai. We have three sets broadly: a long-range forecast, a short-range. Long-range is, of course, weekly. For short-range is 2, 3, 48 hours, 30. And now also we have started a forecast called Now. Now means abhi. Ab kya hoga? अब क्या होगा, अगले 3 घंटे में क्या होगा. And it's so effective and so reliable that people in Mumbai now see the WhatsApp, the app in their watch to decide whether to carry umbrella or not. So I was telling them you could make small jingles, to publicize it, कि गृहिणी आ रही है, उसको कहेगी कि भगवान छाता लेके जाओ, तो कहता नहीं मैंने देख लिया, अभी 15 मिनट बंद हो रही है, तो मैं उसके बाद जाऊंगा. तो I mean, we have started, now forecasting even the mysteries of nature. So we are into it. In Delhi, the NCR, we are in the process of upgrading it. Because sometimes, of course, to be very modest, there were complaints last year that some of the forecasts were not happening very accurately as people expected, because now people are so, sensitive. They're so much dependent also on the forecast. And that's because when we talk of Delhi, we have to realize it's not Delhi of the yore. We are talking of Delhi, which is extended into Haryana, also into Uttar Pradesh. So, but we are on the job. We have automated weather stations, which are known as AWS. So we are in the process of increasing their numbers so that they are at frequent distances, so that the forecast will be more precise. And I think this is going to be accomplished in the next couple of months.